In the scraps that remained in my target, I was able to find this Twilight Masquerade ETB on a random shelf. I met another fellow collector named Jay, who I'll be tagging in this video because he actually walked me over to where this ETB was hiding. In this haul, I also picked up a Shrouded Fable ETB for my sealed collection because why not? This is the first Twilight Masquerade ETB I've opened, so I get to add this Ogre Pond promo to the collection as well. I initially went to Target to see if I can get lucky and find a Prismatic Evolutions ETB, as I've seen some stores have been stocking them early. Unfortunately, none were stocked yet, but I'll take Twilight Masquerade every day of the week. I'll be making a video on it sometime this week, but I'm wondering if everyone has seen the news that the Pokemon Company addressed the short print on Prismatic and will be taking measures to increase supply. In my opinion, this is great to see the Pokemon Company listening to the people and trying to make things right. Do I think they could have just printed more from the beginning? Yes, but this is better than nothing. Follow along for more.